This is the 150 piece 5-inch circular sandpaper set by WORKPRO. So you get 150 pieces of sandpaper ranging from 60 to 600 grit. So you get a variety pack here, and this is what the sandpaper looks like. You get the 8 holes here, and you have the felt pad on the inside, which is Velcro. It connects and just snaps on. The holes are for vacuum, dust vacuums on your sander. So yeah, these pieces are high quality. They last pretty good amount of time. I use them on my furniture refinishing projects. So I could show you a quick video of it.